Delivering innovation takes commitment to excellence. Whether it's sports performance, health and wellness, weight management, or functional nutrition bars and powders, today's consumer is looking for the next great product. What's next for bar and powder brands is the need for a co-manufacturer that is ready to take on those demands. That partner is Nellson, and we are moving nutrition forward. Our vision for unsurpassed service requires a cross-functional focus on product development, supply chain, and production excellence. In doing so, we help build the bar and powder brands that are defining a new era in nutrition. It all starts with product development. We focus on collaborative partnerships with our customers to transform ideas into the next great bar or powder product. Our R&D network of more than 40 scientists, technicians, and support personnel provide expertise in custom formulation development, benchtop replications, consumer samples, and testing. Our new GMP-certified lab with pilot scale line help you bridge the gap between research and commercialization, giving Nellson the ultimate co-development advantage and increased speed to market for our customers. Increasing market demands means more emphasis on supply chain efficiency. Nelson's dedication to supply chain management delivers cost savings, reduces supply risks, and provides the brands we serve with the value-added supply chain efficiency needed to meet those demands. Our commitment to production excellence is demonstrated by our recent investments of over $100 million, including our new world-class nutrition bar facility in Ontario, California. Enhanced with new manufacturing capabilities, we are capable of producing the latest in bar shapes and formats to hit on-trend consumer demands. Complete with segregated production lines, we provide maximum brand confidentiality and allergen control while maintaining the highest levels of food safety. Nelson's Anaheim powder facility has undergone state-of-the-art improvements, including high-speed line upgrades and enhancements to our in-house analytical lab. We also deliver on a wide range of packaging capabilities, from inline jar blow molding to a variety of trending packaging options, including stick packs, bulk packs, and everything in between. These, along with additional investments in our Salt Lake City location, create a network of powder manufacturing flexibility and redundancy. The next consumer trend is right around the corner. Be one step ahead with Nellson. We are Nellson, and we are moving nutrition forward.